Hello.
Hello.
Could you please introduce yourself to start?
My name is Bonham. I'm now 10 years old and I'm in your walls.
Is that funny? Can you tell me more about you?
I live in a family with 6 people.
Wow.
I'm now at grade 5.
Who are the 6 people?
My grandpa, my grandma,
Your parents.
my parents, and my sister.
You don't like your sister?
No.
I know. Because you tell her last.
What?
How old is she? Older than you?
She's older than me, 2 years.
I knew that too. That's why I don't like her. Okay. What do you know about viruses?
Viruses are very small creatures that infect people for an unknown reason.
Okay. Are you sure it's unknown reason?
Yes.
It's not unknown. Why do they infect people? Actually, it's the very specific reason. A very simple one.
Because they
can't reproduce by themselves. They need to infect you to reproduce. Well, can we see viruses with our eyes? What do we use to see them?
We use electronic microscopes to see viruses.
Okay. What do they cause?
They cause many types of diseases like influenza and paralysis.
Okay. Okay. Let's talk about influenza then. What can you tell me about it?
What?
What can you tell me about
The influenza?
Yeah.
The influenza is something that makes you spit out these green looking things.
More seriously?
The influenza makes you spit out mucus.
No.
I don't know what it's called.
What's the other name for influenza virus? The common flu. What disease does it cause?
I can hear you properly.
You can't hear me properly.
Okay, now I can hear you.
Okay, I will speak louder. It's fine. Which disease does it cause?
Because it's the flu.
The?
Flu.
The flu. What's the flu?
The flu is close to a common cold.
Okay, what's the common cold?
Common cold.
What are the symptoms do we get when we're infected?
High temperature or low temperature, coughing, sneezing.
Can you make sentences? Or it's like
and you're
optional.
just weaker.
And you're just weaker. You also have a runny nose, a stuffy nose, you're coughing, and you have body aches, you have sore throat. So many symptoms. How can it get into our body?
Through your eyes, your nose, your wounds,
Your what?
and your mouth.
Wounds, okay, and your mouth. How can we protect ourselves from the virus?
We exercise, or our body just protects the viruses for us.
What can we do for it to help our body?
We can exercise, eat veggies, and we sleep a lot.
Wash your hands,
Yes.
maybe. Covering your mouth and nose when we cough and sneeze, getting enough sleep, doing exercise every day. Okay, how can we protect ourselves? We said it. Now fighting the viruses. You said our body does the job, right?
Yes.
So tell me the lines of defenses.
The first defense is in your nose. When the viruses get in your nose, they might get trapped in the nose hair. If not, something called mucus will bring them down to the stomach.
Very good.
There, the stomach will destroy the viruses.
Very good.
Or if not, the viruses could get in your veins. But there's still a defense called the white blood cells, which kills viruses.
Very good. You forgot one. Like early before it's in your body.
In your skin.
Yeah. And why does it protect? How?
Because skin is made out of dead cells.
Very good.
So if a virus touches it,
You can't infect
it can't infect it because it's dead.
It's dead. And the virus doesn't like dead things. Nobody likes dead things. Okay. Very good. Did I forget anything? There is one vocabulary word you didn't say, so I will ask it this way. White blood are part of a system. What system are they part of?
Circulatory.
No. Yes, they are in circulatory system, but about the protection, it's called the human immune system. That's the whole army stuff that fights everything intruding your body. Okay, tell me the body part names, the names of the body parts in your respiratory system.
Your lungs are trachea,
Okay, think logically. What's first?
trachea,
No, before.
nose,
Yes, then trachea, then,
lungs,
okay. And what helps your lungs to move? There's a muscle there, on the bottom of your lungs.
diaphragm,
Thank you. Now tell me the body parts of your circulatory system.
there's the blood, the veins, the heart, and
The blood is not an organ, but fine. So vein, heart, arteries,
arteries and
the
pulse.
The pulse. Pulse is the beat.
Oh,
Is it the body part? You have a pulse in your body? Okay. The tiny little ones, as small as a hair. For the circulatory, it's called
capillaries.
Got it. Finally. Now, slightly more difficult question. How do respiratory and circulatory system work together in our bodies?
The circulatory transfers blood to the respiratory system, and the respiratory system uses it for you to breathe.
Well, it's not wrong, but it's not accurate enough. So, I offer you a solution. Imagine you're breathing in, breathe out. Okay? Basically, tell me everything that is happening when you breathe in, breathe out, and where the air goes through, etc.
When you breathe in, then the blood it takes the oxygen.
Like that? Step by step. How do you breathe in? With what?
With your nose.
Okay, and then where does it go?
The air goes down the
Trachea.
trachea and then
To the
to the lungs.
Okay, what do the lungs take from that air?
It takes the carbon dioxide.
No, it doesn't take carbon dioxide. It takes the. What does your body need?
Your body needs oxygen.
Okay, so it takes the oxygen. Where does it put it?
It put it in the
Blood.
blood,
Okay, where does that blood go?
and the blood goes through your nose.
Through your nose?
And
And
through
you
your
breathe?
veins.
No, it goes through arteries to where?
To the heart,
Okay, and then what does the heart do?
and then the heart beats, and then the
Pump it.
pumps, and then another stream of blood goes out. It's not holding the carbon dioxide, goes out by the nose.
You skip so many things. So your heart pumps through the arteries the oxygen-rich blood through all your body. Your body uses it. What does it put back in?
Oxygen,
No, it uses the oxygen. Puts back.
carbon dioxide.
Okay. How does the carbon dioxide comes back to your heart? Through the.
blood veins.
Okay. And then.
The heart, and then
Not clear in your head. Then it goes back to your lungs. And your lungs take out the carbon dioxide from your blood. Then you can breathe it out. You don't breathe out blood, do you? So how can you skip the lungs? Okay. So what do we breathe out?
carbon dioxide.
Thank you. What's your opinion about exercising and doing sports?
I think that exercising is just forgotten and people need to exercise more.
Do you exercise and do sport?
Yes,
Yes, I do.
I do.
Do you think you should exercise more?
Yes, I do.
Why?
Because every day I just play soccer at school after I finish lunch and then play soccer again
Do you think you should do more?
at school. Yes.
That's the question.
Yes, because I don't think just playing soccer is enough.
Okay, that's a good answer. Thank you.